Hey guys, today I'm in my kitchen and I wanted to show you how I cleaned it. And I also wanted to show you some of the products I use while I clean my kitchen. And I also wanted to show you a DIY The Dawn Power Wash that I use. You can either use these bottles, cost $5 for the refills, or I can make it for a lot cheaper, and I'll show you how I do that. For this project, you will need an empty Dawn Power Wash container, rubbing alcohol, Dawn dish soap, and water. You're going to start with a dash of the rubbing alcohol, then about an ounce of the Dawn dish soap, and then I just fill the rest of it up with water. So now that we have the power wash made, it's time to get started cleaning. So I'm starting off by clearing off my counters. So now I'm going to use the power wash and spray it on my counters. I'm using a Dollar Tree scouring scrub sponge in the shape of a star that I got at the Dollar Tree to scrub down the. After I have everything scrubbed down, I take a microfiber cloth and re-wipe everything down to make sure I have everything off of it. Next, I start doing dishes, and I just use regular Dawn dish soap for that. After all the dishes are done, I use Barkeeper's Friend and sprinkle that into my sink. After I sprinkle that into my sink, I'm going to use the Dawn Powerwash and spray down on top of that. After that, I take my Scrub Daddy and I scrub down. Next, I'm going to start cleaning the stove, and once again I'm going to use the Barkeeper's Friend and sprinkle that over it, and then I'm just going to use the Scrub Daddy. I wet it down and just start scrubbing. clean the windowsill, I found these extra eraser sponges. They're similar to the Magic Erase sponges and the Dollar Tree sponges I get, but I wanted to try these out for a change, and they seem to work just as good as the ones from the Dollar Tree. And here's the final project of how everything ended up turning out.